Today we're fixing a broken power cord. Being a little careless, going a little fast. See how fast we can do this. I would do heat shrinking if it was a perfect world, but we're going to use tape because it's not a perfect world, and I'm in a rush because I'm doing this quick. I don't see any heat shrink that big. But if you wanted to do it like 100%, do some heat shrink. Could have been a lot faster if I was set up, but we didn't expect to have mistakes. And they're gonna give me hell for that, so gotta really feel it. A lot of critics on YouTube, and I'm gonna get a lot of help for this anyway, but I'm not gonna have any wires bend backwards like this happened. Using a real tight heat shrink tube, so it's a little hard to get these wires in there perfect. Just did a cold start today on a 2.5-year storage on a 4-cylinder Japanese motor. Indian.
I thought it was Korean.
Oh, okay, it is probably Korean. These usually have 2 different sizes. This one's a little bit smaller on one side. That was not good. Could have been done if I did just one at a time, like you should. See those solder seal connections. Once you start seeing that silver solder going throughout, weaving with in and out of the wires, it's pretty good. You heat your retaining adhesive on either side. This is a nice little heat shield that disperses the heat, so you can heat it without rotating it. I think it looks pretty good. It'll be really strong here in a second. check this out. Bet my critics are gonna love this. Automotive chafing gear. I could just literally pull this apart once it's completely dry as hard as I could, and it would not come undone. There's some really strong connections. Not even dry yet, but I could pull really hard. Probably might not even be able to break it. These are very strong. Once they dry, they get rock hard. All right. I guess we'll confirm that it works. Wheel of death, no guard.